so many interesting observations come from our daily life, it might be something which are so tiny and ordinary that we never ever try to figure out the principle of them. Recently, my friend and I find an interesting and common phenomenon. The ripening of the banana can be speeded up when we put the ripe apple with it. First of all, what is a ripening? Ripening is a term applied to fruit that describes the transition from physiological maturity to synthesis. It's a start of significant biochemical and physiological transformations, such as changes in color, internal flesh softening, aroma development, and sweetening. And is also the developmental stage involved to facilitate reproduction by preparing the seed-bearing organ for detachment from the plant, which generally begins after fruit has reached maximum size and is physiologically mature. So, while we can speed up the ripening of the banana when we put a ripe apple with it, the answer of the question can be planned into three perspectives: biology, physics, and chemistry.
Firstly, the process of ripening is connected to biology. Fruit have accumulated a range of complex molecules in the form of carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and organic acids while they reach physiological maturity. Once detached from the plant, fruit continues as a living organism but can no longer draw on water and nutrient from the plant to supply energy to complete the ripening processes. However, just like human, fruit has the ability to do respiration. During respiration, fruit releasing a plant hormone called ethylene, which could accelerate the synthesizing of protein and RNA, and as a circle, increase the rate of respiration. All fruit produce at least small quantities of ethylene, and while the increase of cellular respiration, the ethylene amount inside the fruit relatively increase as well, and thus oxygen is further decomposed by atom and light. And the transformation of organic compound, for example, starch or sucrose to glucose 6P, is accelerated, which produces energy to speed the ripening process.
Secondly, the process of ripening is connected with physics. Throughout the experiment, the hardness of the banana changed from hard to soft as the color of it changed from cyan to yellow, even to dark. The ethylene molecules which are released by the ripe apple will move around constantly in a closed box or bag because the molecules always do the irregular movement without stopping. The constantly irregular movement will help to increase the concentration of ethylene in the box or bag and fasten the speed of bananas to absorb them. Thirdly, the process of ripening is related to chemistry. The cause of fruit ripening is a natural form of chemical synthesis to make PVC piping and plastic bags, namely a gaseous plant hormone called ethylene. Ethylene acts as a catalyst during the process of ripening because it fastens the speed of ripening, yet it does no chemical reaction during the process. The chemical reactions included in the process of ripening are complex. The most apparent chemical reaction is that the transformation from starch and acid substance in the bananas into levulose and glucose under catalysis action of ethylene.
For those reasons, the causes why we put an apple in a closed box or bag with bananas can speed up the ripening of banana are related to biological, chemical, and physiological perspective, and the ethylene takes the most important role to make all of those possible.